Here's this text. This is not advertisement, by the way, but the question is this the letter O or it's number 0? So it's BRM01 or BRM01. The same thing here on this side. Is that a 0 or a 1? Well, luckily I can copy this text. Copy. And go to the start menu. Type in a Notepad. Click on Notepad. And paste it in here. Paste. You can press Ctrl and the plus key on the numeric keypad to zoom in, and here it is in a different manner. Here the letter or number, whatever is that, has a diagonal line inside. And if I click there and press the letter O, that's a small O, no diagonal, and that's a capital O, and it does not have a diagonal. So this one must be a 0. Now let's press the number 0 on the keyboard. Yes, it looks like a 0. So whichever has a diagonal in it, that is a 0. Which does not have a diagonal in it, that's the letter O. So here, although it does not have a diagonal, that's a number. It's number 0, number 1, number 6, and so on. And here also, there is no diagonal. Ctrl and plus is zooming the page in. So it does not use a font which would clearly make a difference between the number 0 and the letter O. But luckily, by copying and pasting it into Notepad, I was able to find out that that one is a number and it's not a letter. Reset.